when that chest cold and that bronchitis starts getting in your chest, this is what I use. Here's what you want to do. Cut your onion in half. I take these both pieces, put them right on my bare skin, right on my chest, and then put a hot water bag right on top of that. If you don't have a regular plastic water bag, you can just use a Ziploc bag. Nice warm water, and lay it right on top of those onions on your chest. In my Amish home, my mom would use yarn and go around your body and tie